Hi, back out here at Largo Central Park Nature Preserve. We're gonna kind of do these couple boardwalks pretty quick because I was just told by the park ranger that the park is going to be closing in 10 minutes. There's about a half a mile of boardwalks in here. This one here leads to the observation deck. Let's take a quick turn upstairs. During the summer, there's a lot of cobwebs that develop over the trail here. So, a lot of spiders. Little river, or a little very small stream that runs through there. Nice about this park is it's basically right in the middle of the city of Largo, and for an occasional motorcycle, like maybe you can hear in the background right now, maybe you can't hear it over me talking, it's pretty well quiet. Nice. Another little stream which is not moving, more like a little swampy area. Okay, and we're coming out of the boardwalk. So we kind of went through the boardwalk pretty quick there. You can definitely get the gist of it. Brings you out here by the canal. And this trail that goes all the way around. There are a lot of otters in here. There's some gators in here, and some claim that right in front of this observation tower up here that we're coming up on, that we walked up before, that you can actually kayak down this way here. Like they said, like 5 miles now. I know this waterway goes all the way to another lake. It's a little south of here, but to do that, from what I see, is you'd have to go all the way down to that thing there, and you have to pull the kayak out, go around, and then put it back in again. So, but they claim you can. So, always heard me blowing on my arm. That was a big giant mosquito. Yeah. There's a lot of wildlife. Once again, we're on the west side of the park, as I said before. So, that's where the wildlife mainly is in this park. You see how murky the water is. There hasn't been a lot of rain lately, with the exception of the last week. So it hasn't had a chance to really break this up. And this doesn't really flow that good either. So, but that's probably a couple feet deep and at best. And there are some, oh, what's this? We got a water moccasin trying to swim toward us. Nope, and he went there. Probably should just let them alone, probably would have come up. Once again, on the west side. Come here, stay on the west side of the park. There's a duck. Oh, there's also some osprey that have nests out here. So if you come out here, make sure you stop and watch the ospreys. They fly out to the Gulf, nearby waterways, and some of the smaller lakes lakes, pond streams, locally, and they bring their catch back, and they sit there and they eat them on their nest. So, anyways, we're getting ready to come out here on the exit to this here. So, hope you enjoyed this. And I will see you on our next adventure. Take care.